lunatic claiming Niger Delta, Niger Law Plan River Run. But the beauty is that they don't even know me. When I took some Biafrans to Ateke, he lamented and said, "Are you people with Asare?" And I personally said, "Yes, we are with Asare." He said, "Then I'm sorry, I cannot be with you." I know they may attack Asari tomorrow morning, but it doesn't matter. But Asari is not with us. I'm a reverend. There is somebody in Asari family that is a reverend in Assemblies of God. And Assemblies of God is where useless Jack Gowan, lunatic terrorist Jack Gowan worship. And so when you are from River State and one useless governor changed the name of Liberation Stadium to what do they call the criminal's name? Jack Gowan Stadium. And you are happy and you are thinking you are progressing. You are very hopeless animal. He said, "Asare cannot be trusted. I will not be there." I've organized meeting. I've had meeting with all the prominent leaders from Bayelsa State. And the first thing they ask me is Asare with you? And I will say, "Yes, Asare is with us." Then they will say to me, "I am very sorry we cannot be with you." They are very sorry they can't be with me. Why wouldn't they be with me? They won't be with me because Asare is with us. They know that Asare is very hopeless and very useless. I played a lot of clip trying to point out who Asare is to you. All those people are from Asare village. Who does Asare command his loyalty? There are people who are calling me, "Hey, go and talk to Asare, go and talk to Asare." I tell you, I can never be frustrated. I don't want to mention name. Let me leave it that way. Hey, Asare, our formidable, Asare, our formidable. Where are all of you? Come to your Facebook page now. Some of you are principal officer in IPOB. Come to your Facebook now and tell us Asare is formidable. You have gone mute in the ara. Some of them are women. Women! But I won't call their name because I will not want to destroy them in a hurry. They will use their hand to destroy themselves. Achare. Onya wusai na boy achare. Where does it come from? Is he a Biafran? Awusa Fulani Yoruba took Achare, trained Asare very well, brought him to destroy Biafra land. And then the reasonable Biafra people at that time initiated Ateke. If you want to know if Asare is relevant, let Asare visit Ateke. Is he older than Ateke? Achare everywhere, Achare. Some people say, let's respect Achare, don't insult Achare to destroy Biafra. Any Niger Delta person like me supporting Asare is very hopeless and is a lunatic. You will die like a rat. I must tell you that. Hey, it's Achare. You think I'm Igbo region? I am Niger Delta. Don't make mistake about that. George Ojimbe is Niger Delta. Let Yoruba and Hausa redesign it with British government and put me maybe Delta Niger or Upland or Riverland or Coastal and Indiara. I've never been humiliated to hear some people say, okay, please, let's not fight ourselves. But every day we come here insulting Nyanwodu. Every year we come here insulting governors of Southeast and Southwest. Every day we come here insulting Christians, religion, and all that. If you tell me not to talk to Asare, you are very hopeless. Why do I say it? Monkey and babu. Very hopeless one. Achare. As we just cover your nyash, you know one respect yourself. Asare is not from Bayelsa State. Asare is from River State. Asare should come back. Ateke is waiting for him in River State. You will see the handwork of Yoruba and Hausa people. And then the next question is, why is he a Muslim? What is his name? Jihadi, Muhammadian, Tarabatapata, Asare, Dokubo. Why is he a Muslim? There will be no Islam in Biafra land. They will sell you off. Please, send your militant, your Malaysian, your jihadist Boko Haram. Send them to come and kill me. There are things we will not accept. Oh, don't insult Asare. Hausa and Yoruba will be mocking at all. But the point is, if we cannot tell ourselves the truth at this point, then we are fooling and we are very hopeless. Who is Asare? Does he command the loyalty of his people? He's there trying to tarnish the image of Bayelsa people. Hey, I am Bayelsa. Yeah, Bayelsa. He's not from Bayelsa. He's from River State. He's from Calabari. Let him come to Calabari. Let's see how comfortable he will be. If you are my friend, don't stop me. The only way you can stop me tonight from telling you what I have to tell you is please tell Facebook to cut me off. These very broadcasts will be repeated tomorrow morning by the grace of God. I don't sleep, so you can't keep me in my sleep. I'm always awake. I will be awake till 5 a.m. and then I will replay it in the ara. Mad people. Let us go back and continue from where we stop. No, we insure people in Bayelsa. He's not from Bayelsa. Let him go back to Rivers State. Wike is waiting for him. Ateke is waiting for him. So you see how hopeless he is. Number 7. IPOB, you must understand, represent Biafra. We are fighting for freedom, nothing more, nothing less. But very soon we will retaliate. We've not killed anybody. It's not our intention to kill anybody. One of the lessons I learned as a member of IPOB is that we must engage the global community in a very peaceful manner. We've worked hard, very hard, to ensure that we make the global community understand that we are peaceful people. And sometimes I want to blame our supreme leader, Mazen Nnamdi Oku Kanu, why he's so gentle. But then the pair of light is not in my hand. We've done everything we are going to do to make the world understand that we don't want to conquer anybody. We don't want to conquer anybody. We just want freedom. But a day will come, it will not be that way. Go and ask America. Go and ask your so-called world power why they are afraid of most of these terrorist nations. It's because the terrorist nations are very prepared to bomb them before they make a move. I listened to one woman, one terrorist woman, insulting British government and America. He said in that interview, why is it that when you want to call Acadia, you call it with fear and tension? And that American and world power representative was like, oh my God, they don't say it. He said, when you want to call our name, you say, Acadia. Acadia. Because they have put fear in your eyes. But the way you can pronounce Biafra, maybe that is why you are not respecting us. A time will come that when you want to pronounce the name Biafra, you'll be saying, Biafra. They are mad people. So when people like Asari comes up pretending to be speaking for you, you must understand the following. You must understand that, one, who are they? Who is Asari? He's nobody. Why is he a Muslim? I can't understand. Is he a moral man? Of course, no. Is Asari a moral man? How many wives did he have? Who made him a Muslim? He is married to Yoruba. I was broadcasting here one day, and somebody said, and I was talking about different type of Biafrans. We have crossbreed. Crossbreed could be a Biafran man with Yoruba mother, or a Biafran man with Hausa Fulani mother. Somebody attacked me that day. I later found out that it's not a complete breed. But I won't apologize to you because it's not in your place to decide. What do they call it? Asare marry Yoruba woman. Ben Bruce is a good man. By now he should be saying the truth. But Ben Bruce can't say much because his mama is Yoruba. Watch all the people speaking against Biafra. He said that they are fathered by Hausa Fulani Yoruba, or they are mothered by Hausa Fulani Yoruba. Ndiara. I understand. I actually saw the challenge from the studio. And I'm really sorry. And as a result of that, I'm going to repeat this broadcast by the grace of Chukwu Kigabema tomorrow morning. So if you didn't hear what I said earlier, don't worry. Tomorrow morning we will start all over again. You will hear it. And because I need it to be forwarded to Asare. Who is he working for? When he Asari Dokubo, there is a brother who have called me and said, talk to Asari, talk to Asari. I said, I can't talk to Asari because Asari is not a moral man. And with time, he knew the truth. I'm happy that they have known the truth before now. Who is Asari working for? Most of you don't know that since the time of Obasanjo till today, Asari Dokubo is being paid 10,000 million US dollar every year. As I'm talking to you till this very moment, since the day of Olusegun Obasanjo, Asari Dokubo is being paid 10,000 US dollar. Check when that Yoruba terrorist Obasanjo Olusegun is in power. When he arrested Asari and Ateke and took them to Kano or Kaduna, till today, Asari is receiving 10,000 US dollar every year. So who is he working for? Some people are saying, oh, we are Niger Delta, we are Asari boys. Go and convert 10 million US dollar to Nigerian currency. Calculate it in a year and divide it by 12. You will know what Asari is collecting from Nigerian government every year. So when we are fighting to retain our oil well, and Asari is saying, forget about the oil well. Asari is receiving payment more than Alakeja. The richest black woman alive, Yoruba woman, Mrs. Alakeja. Asari will never fight for you. Asari, the money this morning, instead of developing Bayelsa or Rivers State, Asari went and go and become, what do they call him? Asari now is a Benin Republic citizen. Asari built university. Asari built secondary school. Asari built many things in Benin Republic. But don't blame him. He's married to Yoruba. Yoruba will always destroy you. Yoruba will bastardize your blood lineage. Yoruba will tell you you are not a Biafra. Urobo Ishekiri, Ijo people, many of them cannot embrace their identity as a Biafra because Yoruba know how to do their job. Yoruba were divided into three. You have Yoruba in Ghana. You have Yoruba in Benin Republic. You have Yoruba in Nigeria. Oh, hey, British terrorist government. Their handwork. Asari is a Nigerian citizen as well as a Benin Republic citizen. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is a Biafran citizen as well as British citizen. Oh my gosh. You know, if I were in America, we don't call him God. We call him gosh. Oh my gosh. I'm going to go to America, you know. I'm going to go to America and I'm going to say bullshit. And I'm going to say gosh. Ndiara. Mad people. Who is Asari working for? If Asari will receive 10 million US dollars every year, and you are still following him, since the day of Obasanjo till today, Asari is receiving 10 million US dollar on yearly basis. We kept him quiet because we thought he will repent. Go to the social media and watch Asari and his family. I was in Bayelsa some time ago, late last year. A Bayelsa woman was driving through a mosque. They told her that they are worshiping Allah. She can't pass there. And the Bayelsa woman was like, how dare you say that? That vehicle was vandalized by Hausa, Fulani, and Yoruba. And I was watching them. Stop deceiving yourself. Outside Nigeria, is there any country called Niger Delta or South or Southeast or West or North? Asari Dokubo is working for Nigeria. We must continue. Does he speak for his people, his tribe? Of course, he's not from Bayelsa. So anybody from Bayelsa say, don't insult Asari, you are very hopeless. There is a man always insulting me online every day. He's supposedly from Bayelsa. Please insult me more. Asari is from Rivers State, according to divide and rule. Asari is not from Bayelsa. Let Asari come back to Port Harcourt here. I'm waiting for him. I'm waiting for him. Ndiara. Yo, Anama Jogodo, Anumeri Unne Yizuri. Who is he speaking for? Is he speaking for the Kayamas? Is he speaking for the Yenogwas? Is he speaking for the... Let him pack. Come back to River State. You have messed up yourself. Ateke is waiting for you. So when you listen to Asari yapping on video, you think it's relevant. Don't be hopeless. Don't be useless. He's nobody. He's just working for Nigerian government. He's being paid $10 million on yearly basis. But in his community, there is no drinking water. He should go back and issue a press statement with Ateke. Like I said, there are certain things I don't want to mention now. Let them come and let me put them where they belong. Because if I say something now, it's going to implicate many people from Niger Delta and Delta Niger. Don't forget George Onyibe is from Niger Delta. Yoruba, come and redivide it. And maybe you call me Upper Delta or Upper Footage in Diara. Out of this moment, I am in Niger Delta. You should ask yourself a question. Why is Tompolo not talking? Edwin Clark has gone mute. Why is Amayana Bo of Browse not talking? Only Asare. You know what is $10 million being paid by Awosa Fulani in a yearly basis? Then why did he make his recent video? These are some of the questions you have. Why did he make his recent video? He came first of all. You must vote, fight for your PVC. He used his brothers to do ritual. Ritual. They are dead now. We didn't attack him. We kept him quiet. Asari is from Kalabari. Asari, come back to Kalabari. Let's see how the warm welcome you receive from Kalabari. Don't destroy Bayelsa people. Don't blackmail Bayelsa people. You are not from Bayelsa. Mazen Nandekano at least is from Afari Beku. He's in Afari Beku. Till your gang of lunatics chased him away. Antagonized him. Killed people. But he didn't go away. He went to prepare further. Because sometimes to be able to cover more ground, you need to pause. Mazicho from Efo is from Abatete. Abatete is in Anambra. He's from Anambra State. And George Onyibe is from Abo. Abo is in Delta State. Asari, you are from River State. Come back to River State. Kwademe hijelu nishawa kwale yo ne mwakole yo ebijeko hijelu ishawa kwale yo ne mwakole yo ebijeko hijelu. If you are a lunatic, you are hopeless, you are animal across the globe thinking Asari is human being when he's not human being, somebody who have run away from his father's land, then I'm sorry for you. Nobody can help you. Asari, I remember when I went to his community, his people said to me, he cannot be trusted. Go back and look at Asari video clip when he was talking about his brother that we arrested by Nigerian government. He was saying, Alahaji Gwanguruda Temuno, Alahaji Melu Abase, Alamaji, all Asari brother, all of them stand like a Daura. But we ignored it. We ignored it. That time you saw Nigerian police pretending to be arresting Asari. Asari said he don't want back our land. He wants raw cash. Nigerian army took the raw cash to Asari. This is the evidence of that payment. Asari, you are very close to IPOB. We want you to help us blackmail it. This is Nigerian government and British government speaking. Oh. We are going to kill the so-called prophet. And then you will go support it. They bargain. Asari say, okay, I don't want back Allah. I need cash. No genuine Nigerian store their money in Nigerian currency. They store it in dollar because Nigeria is hopeless and useless. It was Asari raw cash they brought for him that day. These are the evidence. These are the evidence. So fellow Biafran lovers of freedom, the journey has just begun. Our leader Mazen Nandekano said, this is the time we leave the door open, let the enemy show themselves. Believe me, Asari is a baby saboteur. The journey has just begun. He doesn't even know what is coming to him. More of them will surpass themselves. They will showcase very soon. But don't let any of them distract you. Asari is not from Bayelsa State 1 point. And Asari do not speak for Bayelsa people 2 points. Asari is from River State and is running away from River State. Let him come back. Asari cannot stand before Ateke, even though Ateke somehow is working for Nigeria. Asari should come back and tell us, go to his community, Kalabari, where he come from, and yap. Let him make video in Kalabari. Then maybe we begin to reconsider him as a Biafra. Asari is a Muslim, all his children are Muslim. Asari is married with Yoruba. Asari is a terrorist. Asari is being paid by Nigerian government. Imagine Asari receiving $10 million everywhere. What do you expect Asari to say? I have told you that all this monarch, most of this governor, most of this senator, most of this militant, most of this warlord, most of this freedom fighter, they can never tell you the truth because they are under the payroll of the British government. They are under the payroll of the Nigerian Zoological Republic. They will never say anything in favor of you. Asari should come and build the university in Bayelsa and Rivers State. Asari should return his investment in Nigeria, and when he's talking to us, we'll be listening to him. Until Asari do that, he can be disgracing himself on social media. He's a frog, he's dead, and he's going to die any moment from now. It is not a threat, but this is the truth. Asari is old. Asari have white blood cells. Asari have hypertension. Asari have, what do they call this big man disease? Asari have every disease imaginable. Asari have HIV. Nigerian government are giving him drug to make him look as if it is puff puff. Asari have, what is this big man disease? Diabetes. Asari is suffering and Asari is dying gradually. I know after this broadcast, Nigerian government will kill Asari the same way Nigerian government killed this so-called prophet. So they will say it's IPOB. But no, make no mistake about that. We are not yet ready to kill any of you. But very soon we shall. And when that time comes, I, George Onyibe, I will come to Radio Biafra and I will tell you you are going to die. So you can run away and go and meet your children wherever you are hiding them in diaspora. So that you can give that oil where you are using to subdue us to one of these your protectorate. Maybe it's going to be, what do they call them? It's going to be one of these BBC or CNN or ICPC or FBI or whatever. But then we want the conscientious people across the globe to understand that we simply want to be the author of our destiny, nothing more, nothing less. So don't hide under the guise of thinking that, oh no, they're going to blackmail. No. When we come for you, we'll let you know. Don't make any mistake. I'm in Abo, reaching you live and direct from Abo. And those of you in Abo, ono won the Abo, ekile or when ekile before you na buy cargo, ono carry anu Radio Biafra maka no nwele ndi Igbo, ndi no akpọ ndi Igbo. We yela nyego na eje de buche Radio Biafra Abo. Ono le kanu here mena ni lo nyo le du fi ono ri orogodo. Muri orogodori compound wa on the egbarin mwe egbarin no kimi wewe nwe ba we lihion no rime nwonya Naija Delta amane no eke izo no wonde Naija Delta so ono hu Asari dokobori esusu reji onwe egbu ale ele okwu maka ndi Hausa le ndi Yoruba reji shi akpato makasa wa mari ihe lala ni we ndi ara mad people. Very hopeless, thinking, dirty human being that cannot bath himself very well. You dare talk to our supreme leader, his eminent, his holiness, the Pope of Biafra land, Mazen Nnamdi Kanu. You people can envy and jealous him as much as you can, but you can't change the truth. I always tell you, don't tell me Naija Delta, Amigede, Amiyala, Amagban. You are nobody. We have one leader. And then I said to those people who I said, you are Igbo, you stick, you are Igbo. You are fucking up, you are very hopeless people. Don't let God send you to me because I say you are fucking up. Telling you can't come to me. Because Mazen Nnamdi Kanu has gone beyond the Igbo people. I respect him because he's not moved by what they say. He is focused in what Chukwu Okike Abiama say. He's very, very focused. He is very, very focused. Let me stop there. Because if I go beyond this time, you may not be able to assimilate all that I'm saying. But then let me stop. So Biafrans, wherever you are all over the world, understand it's not about Asari, it's not about anybody, it is about Biafra restoration. Don't be stupid, don't be very hopeless, collecting money and coming to yap here or anywhere. We will shred you. This is Radio Biafra Extra. I am George Onyibe. This is my song for Biafra. I'll be back in a minute. Hopefully tomorrow this very audio will be replayed. Asari need to come back to Rivers State. Let him come to Rivers State. You are there deceiving Bayelsa people. Very hopeless Bayelsa people will associate with Asari. Ateke is waiting for you. Come back to your place. Now, I thought you are from Kalabari. Asari, come to Kalabari. Kalabari people are waiting for you. You betray your people. You stab them at the back. You dare come here and talk to IPOB. You dare come there. can talk to Mazen and the Kano. Do you really have the moral light when you are receiving 10 million US dollar every year from Nigerian government and British government? Who the hell do you think you are? When I started this program, I told you, I said Facebook is going to do their job. The Epileptic Zoo Network will do their job. But then don't worry about it, because we are not going anywhere. We are not going anywhere. We are not going anywhere. We are not in a hurry. The greatest mistake you will... Let me address some people. I have access to many people. And these people, some of them are Igbo people. And they say, go and talk to Asare, go and talk to Asare. They are romancing Asare, slaying with Asare. I'm just looking at them. Because I own up to my Igbo identity, you are incapable of reasoning to understand that I'm a Niger Delta man. But I'm not any of them anyway. I'm not Sasa, Upland River, and Rabra. I'm Monye Biafra, where are all of you praising Asare on social media? You think we're in a hurry to praise anybody? Come and praise him now. Let's tell you how hopeless you are. Asare is doing the dirty job for Nigerian government. But of course, considering how much is being paid yearly, after tonight, go and calculate 10 million US dollars in a year, convert it to Naira, and you see reason why he's yapping. Ndiara, inferiority complex. This is the problem of many black monkey and babu. Our WhatsApp lines are open at this moment, I must tell you. Our WhatsApp line is 070 815 45642. I repeat again, our WhatsApp line is 070 815 45242. For the last time, our WhatsApp line is 070 185 45642. Our direct line is 081 221 52971. Our direct line once again is 081 221 52971. For the last time, our direct line is 081 221 52971. And the special number dedicated to the female, of course, genuine Biafran women, not the one who have open left for Hausa, Yoruba, mad people. Genuine mothers, I must tell you, because only Biafran women give birth to real son. Only Biafran women. Look at Asare Dokuboju. They look like Boko Haram. Asare look like Boko Haram. And some people are giving him attention. If you say he's man enough, you see, I don't want to play that clips. I personally don't want to play that clips. I won't give him. Not George Onibe will not make him look relevant. Now look at what he said. My fellow Biafran. Who is his fellow Biafran? You should say my fellow Niger Delta. And then maybe I would have referred him to say my fellow Riverans. Who is his Biafra? You should say my fellow Boko Haram. Is that not what he was meant for? Without Ateke, Asare by now would have overrun the so-called Niger Delta. But we are waiting for them. Like I was saying, special number dedicated to our mothers, of course. Only genuine Biafran women give birth to real son. If your mother is not a genuine Biafra woman, I won't apologize to you. It's not my fault and there is nothing you can do about it. Only Biafran genuine women give birth to real son. Real son like Mazen and the Kanu and Uchemefo for the avoidance of doubt. The number is 081 288 586 14. Special number dedicated to the female. 081 288 58614 for the avoidance of doubt. And our lines are open at this moment. Yes, sir, if you can hear me, caller on the line. Your name and where are you calling from? Caller on the line, can you hear me?
Hello?
I will advise and rather appeal that you speak louder. Your name and where are you calling from?
Matthew George Onibe. Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Go ahead, please. The word is listening.
Yeah, my name is Christopher. I'm once calling from Aba. Matthew Onibe, once again, I want to appreciate you for what you are saying currently. And I said, may Chukwu bless you and guide you. Osombu Akagosi you in the 100% way. me Christopher nwa akpọ from Aba. Onwere kwesị ehia. Onwere ihe ehia, who somebody take me you. Onye who sinye ya ka ezuni izu ọjọọ. Heaven will strike that person in a very big way. I want to use this opportunity to greet our able leader, Lord Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. He's the only man. I called him His Divine Excellency, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. I appreciate the man. I'm so grateful. He's the only man that God brought in this our own generation to rescue us from the bondage of the zoo called Nigeria. I'm so grateful. I'm saying once more for what you are broadcasting tonight. What you are saying tonight is indefatigable. I'm saying indefatigable. I'm so grateful. And anybody that you mentioned, that he betrayed or that he said we betrayed Biafran, heaven will strike that person. I don't want to say much. I say, may Chukwu Kikabiama bless you, protect you, guide you in Chukwu Kikabiama's name.
You see. Thank you very much.
And I want to use this opportunity to think more concerning our great leader.
Chili. Iwo nya agbo. Ya gwa na eme ni iwo nya agbo iwe ikwu ebe ni ka akwe ụgwọ izigbo ụgwọ. Oya. Iwo nye libi.
Meji onye agụ meji edu akpọ ekun. I want
ihe ohu ka ekunu. Isi ihe ohu ya ka ekunu. Ni mmeli opone we bone no we mane ne Nnamdi Kanu ele onye Igbo kweda akpa. Enyi wonde Niger Delta enyi wonde Igbo. Ho le we chole ihu echewe. Na ebo na ya ebo no mane na enyi li ari Igbo. Oh yeah, 1, 2, go. Onye meni mihenu. O meni mihenu. Nnamdi Kanu meni mihenu. O meni. One more time. Onye meni mihenu. O meni mihenu. Nnamdi Kanu meni mihenu. Thank you very much.
I'm so grateful. May God protect you. Also protect you in the time of your war, in the time of your life.
We are not here. You see. We are not here to take that which belongs to another people. The truth cannot be overemphasized. I'm not focusing on what Asari said because we know how Nigerians operate. Number one, Nigeria tomorrow will come up and kill Asare. So they say it's IPOB. Asare should be wary of his life. There was a time the so-called prophet was saying the truth about Nigeria. Immediately he received alert. He turned around. And Nigerian government killed this so-called prophet. Oh, he looked like IPOB. When we want to kill you, we will tell all of you. This is Radio Biafra Extra. I'm from Niger Delta. Yoruba, go and change the name. After all, the Biafran people, every name you are proud of is Awusa Fulani given name. Yes, caller on the line, can you hear me?
Hello, good evening, sir.
Yes, Adadeno Rama, please go ahead, the world is listening.
My name is Finis Shema. I'm calling from Aba. I'm from Ibere. This night I'm not happy. I'm very, very angry. This Asare Doku was a very stupid man. He's a very useless man. talking against our leader Nnamdi Kanu. We don't know that even the air he's breathing now, it's Nnamdi Kanu that give it to him. They killed his sister in his own town. He cannot do anything. He cannot do anything. And instead of him to come out and condemn the illegal killing they killed his sister, and he's here talking rubbish about our leader, he's a very hopeless man because he has collected change. They have given him money made from his backyard, and he's here having nonsense against our leader. God must surely pay him back. Anything he do, he will be alive to repeat. One thing I will assure him with his support or without his support, Biafra must surely come. But he should find a way to hide because Biafra land will not contain him. It's better he go back to his original place, which is Ugwawafa, because that is where he belongs. He should go there and stay. This Biafra land.
Thank you. We must
Your
continue.
good work.
Thank you.
God must surely bless you.
And you
And
too.
bless our leader Nnamdi Kanu and
Yes,
give him
sir.
offer.
You say,
Good evening and good night.
you say, thank you. Yes, our people must remain focused. He's not supposed to be given any attention. But then our people must know the truth. Because more saboteurs are going to come up. Believe me, make no mistake about it. More saboteurs are going to come up. You should know what drives them. Asari is receiving, what do they call it? $10 million on yearly basis from Nigerian government. Go and do the arithmetic. Go and divide it. You will know how much Asari is being paid in a year. Over 600 million naira. And some people are saying, Asari, he's making money, fortune out of you. Let him come back to River State. Asari is not a Bayelsa man. Asari is from River State. Let him come. I'll take case waiting for him. They are mad people. Caller on the line, can you hear me? Your name and where are you calling from?
Yes, I can hear you loud and clear. Watch Kabiama.
Go
I
ahead,
remain your
please.
humble servant, Mazi Chima Joseph. So, this evening I was so happy. But before I will start, I would like to just give a warning song to our Biafran people, especially what is happening between us and the so-called Asari on whatever that his name is. So, and the song goes like this. Rocha Biafra di Kaukan. Kandi sabotu wasini maipo. Rocha Biafra di Kaukan. Kandi mu sabotu wasini maipo. Mere maram, omara ma neutein. Anwo charam, ochara ma neutein. Ebenne Nnamdi chirenyu ayalanyu. Nnamdi chiranyu ayalanyu. Anwo charan, ebuayin eso papa. Nnamdi chiranyu ayalanyu. So watch for Kabiama. So I want to use this medium and talk to the so-called whether he's or not. I don't want to know. I don't want to know anything about him. But the only thing I know that thousands of people they are still coming out. But I love what our leader says, Nnamdi Kanu. He said that as day in, day out, saboteurs will begin to come out and will begin to identify them and begin to dealing with them. If you like, may they come in a million folds. They are France, we are ready for them. So no matter anything, because the reason why, because our leader Nnamdi Kanu and his broadcast last year that he just praising him and so that he's also seen that he's it now make him to know that he think that is now relevant, that the people of the world have just told him, without knowing that our people say that because our leader take him up, he now feel that he is now heaven and earth, without knowing that he's just a tout. It just is not anything. Because if at all, if you know anything, why can't you use the so-called Niger Delta and Avengers or anything that is taking. Look at how they are just killing our people, butchering our people as if our people is not a human being. What reaction has he taken? What shall he say about it? just to say that if he just give him money to calculate about our freedom, that he don't know that they are beating around the bush. They cannot do us anything. We are 100 steps ahead of them.
Thank you
and
very
nothing
much.
can stop us.
Thank you very much.
Our Mazi Nnamdi Kanu remain our true leader, and it's the savior of our time.
Thank you.
And we keep on saving us,
Thank
and nothing
you.
can stop it.
We must
We are
continue.
here, and we believe everything that he says. He talk to us. That is what we are going to do, and no person else. I will not have any other savior in Biafra land like our true leader Mazi
Thank
Nnamdi
you.
Kanu.
Thank you.
And that is how
We must continue.
And that is how we do. I remain your humble servant, Mazi Chima Joseph. I drop from here, but I would like to use you.
Yes, it is simple. Cherry Hart said Asari is not from River State, it's from Bayelsa. This is the problem why many Biafran people are very hopeless. We are telling you what we need you to go and find out. You are there, you are yapping. Where do you come from? Cherry Hart. Where do you come from? No, where do you come from? Why don't you shut up your mouth and go to Bayelsa and find out if Kalabari is from Bayelsa? Very hopeless people. Why would they use you? Why would they fool you? When I ask you now, you're telling me you're from Niger Delta. I'm from Niger Delta. I will come on Niger Delta. Wadi mama. On Hajebe, I say Niger Delta. Equally, why won't the Niger Delta? Dia mama. Don't let anybody deceive you. If I were you, Cherry Hart, I would delete that useless, hopeless statement. I don't want Yoruba people coming close to me. I don't want Awusa Fulani, but I would Dambaza coming after close to me. Not even British government, not to talk of the lack of Asare. You go and Google. You know, I learned something from our leader. Go to the encyclopedia and find out who Asare Dokubo is. You will see that from the day of Obasanjo till today, he is being paid $10 million on daily basis. But even if it's not from River State, it's from Bayelsa. As you hopeless, useless, animalistic, charity heart. If you don't delete yourself, I will deal with you, shred you. Hopeless. You think we are here to joke? You know how many people who have died? You know how many Biafran people who have died? You should go back to River State. Ateke is waiting for him. Be fooling yourself. The guy is making million. He changed his nationality. He's now from Cotonou. When you are fighting Cotonou, you don't know Asari is from Cotonou. Building university and all that thing, but there is no toilet, no sewage system in his village. They poo in the same water they drink. You are not saying that. You are trying to correct my grammar. God will punish all of you. Of course, it's not supposed to be a topic. It's not an issue. He's a small boy. Let him bring his boys. I'm in Biafra land. Let him come to Delta State. Then I will visit him in the so-called Bayelsa where he claimed to belong to. How long are we going to allow British government and Awusa Yoruba to be using our head? Collect millions and come and yap. When we want to kill you, we'll tell you we want to kill you. Are we invisible? We have name. Go to Stanford's Chartered Bank. I have a domiciliary account there. Go to First Bank, Yoruba Bank. I have Yoruba British Bank. I have a savings account there. Go to Awusa Bank, Keystone Bank. I have a current account there for the avoidance of doubt. Though there is no money there anyway for now. We're not hiding our identity. I've been privileged to issue maybe 2 or 3 press communique. I'm not Boko Haram. Let Boko Haram Fulani Hesme Miati Allah. Let them come and issue press communique. So you know the difference between us and them. You think we are here to learn work? In the first place, I would not have talked about him. But when somebody from Southeast is talking about him, they say they want us because of our oil. But there is oil in my village. The very community I come from. There is butane coming out from the earth, I must tell you. And ever since we discovered this piece of land, Awusa and Yoruba are trying to cause confusion in my community. But we know what they know. We've outgrown that stage. But we don't want you to understand that everybody talk your own. Go and Google it now. It's on net that Nigerian terrorist government are paying these jihadists called Asare Dokubo $10 million on yearly basis. That before you talk to me, be very, very, very much prepared. Facebook cut me up. They are mad people. Yes, call on. Sorry. Call on WhatsApp. You have to wait. Call on the line. Are you still there? Yes, Chima Joseph, I do not expect you to be on this line by this time. Caller on WhatsApp, are you there?
Yes, I'm here. Good evening.
Go ahead, please. The world is listening.
Yeah, my name is Rizechuku Victory Ahonanya. I am calling from Rabat, Morocco. Watching Biama bless you. You are really another man. You understand? You are really another man. Another man. Besides, even I can really say that no kita na kina aroro okochukuewo. You know, you told you are a reverend. Because I have been listening to your programs. You are really hitting us at our nerves. And when you're planning this, your voice get tired now, or you wake you up, that person deserves death sentence. That is that, because when a message topic E33 say, have we not suffered enough? That message I listen it over and over and over and over again. How I wish that our people will wake up from their slumber. Imagine Asare Dokobo advising us from behind. You see, if you feel he can do it better, then let him start up his own group. He is nobody to tell us what to do. He is nobody to blackmail us. He is a saboteur, and he's only agitating for his own pocket. He is nobody to challenge our leader on no account. So, Mazi George Onibe, you are really doing a great work. May God strengthen you. May God continue to guide you, and may God blind the eye of the enemies where you are. Keep on keeping on, as our deputy will always say. I just called to congratulate you, sir. You are really doing great work. We, the IPOB and the fans, are really impressed with the work you are doing.
Thank you.
You are really doing it well. May God bless you.
Thank you, my brother.
Yeah.
You see,
Yeah.
Our people must understand. The truth cannot be covered. There is no amount, no matter how thick a blanket is, it cannot blot out the rising sun. Let's tell ourselves the truth. You see the terrorists who have subdued African and brought her to an end. They say, they steal 100% of the resources of Africans. And then they come back and give you 1%. And then they tell you Africans receive 1% foreign aid. They are mocking at you. We will come for all of them. Can you hear me, caller on the line? If you can hear me, go ahead, please. That is the problem. I'm not a very patient man, I must tell you that. So when you call, move ahead and don't let your radio distract you. Can you hear me?
Good evening.
Good evening. Go ahead, please. Ndewo nwa Chineke gawa n'iru.
George Onibe, Chineke gọzie gị, gọzie Nnamdi Kanu, gọzie Afọmụrụ. George Onibe, ama m otu anyị ga-esi kelee Chineke n'ebe ị nọ. N'ihi na ị na-eme ka this struggle bụ ihe nke na-aga n'ihu. Na-ekele nke dị ukwuu na-asị onye ọbụla bụrụ mmadụ bụ onye na-atọ atụmatụ ọjọọ ebe ị nọ, onye ahụ ga-eji isi ya buru ya.
Thank you very much. We must continue. Like I always say, the sin of Mazi Uche Mefo is, how dare he become a gentleman? He should have allowed corruption to come here. Is it not what is obtainable? How dare he tell us he will not allow corruption to come here? When people like Asare are eating fat with big stomach, very dirty, stinking people who can't even bath properly. And our deputy supreme leader, he sent me to Uche. He said, I won't allow this whole project to see corruption. By now, George Onibe will have his own private jet. After all, Yoruba pastors have private jets. And then our supreme leader is saying, no, I'm a gentleman. I now understand why fellas say, I no be gentleman at all. But then, am I telling you I'm better than them? No. I appreciate Chuko Kika Biama because they are working very hard. They are sweating to make the world believe that we are peaceful, loving people. And then Nigerian dish money, the money they stole from your land. And then you collect percentage every month. You receive a lot. I don't get a lot. Na Nigeria win. I don't get a lot. Na Nigeria win. You are jumping up and down, behaving like a fool. When you're supposed to park your motor, enter your garage and remain there, you are coming out. See, IPOB is a moving train. It doesn't matter who you are. If we never talk to you, no be because we don't know what we go tell you about. Asari is listening. His boys are listening. And I challenge them. Let them come back to their state of abode. Make them come River State. We did River State. I go come enter River State next week. Because of Asari. Make him bring him boys. Asa wana. You say from wana asa. Yo. Anama jogodo. Anu mere unne yezure. I pity for people like Iruanya. Omio. I pity for all of them. Nowhere we go save for now. You just collect 10 million every year. You are yapping. We just keep you quiet, hoping that you will repent one day. All those your Yoruba children, you go send them go back to Ile-Ife. Can you hear me, Niger Delta daughter?
They hear you, sir.
I hope you be Niger Delta.
I be Niger Delta now.
I say you don't come up for Niger Delta. I beg make
no,
you
I never come up for Niger Delta. I did gidigba. I did with them. Anyone when Port Belle, they come out. We deal with them because you don't get the one way they pass on. If you know that even the zoo, now you want to take off, you don't get the one way they pass on. Because that man, we choose to ignore them because may not be like say one thing. But if he say we matter not there our palm, if there our palm, we full remain. For the fact say we won't cover in yansh, may not be like say they bring our own common side. Fulani people they do their own. But since they don't choose, say don't bring itself at, we go help them. We go help them. Like go day more faster. Go day faster for Asari. Go day more faster for Asari. Good evening, my fellow Biafrans. My name is Efe Wanogo. I come from Morogu, Delta State, Biafra land. This Asari Tokumbo Sosa. Me be not even know say now this thing Calabar in Port Harcourt. That's why I like this radio Biafra because they educate us well. They educate us so much because they learn a lot. These people are not going to that very apple to Ramazi. By now, for don't know where we just there at all. For your day, maybe person like me now, for your day for public, I'm gonna say, I'm proud Niger Delta. I'm proud Niger Delta. And so they hit my chest. I don't know say I be mugu, every mugu. This man don't cost us more harm than good. Some state of you come outside, because they accuse this man. And so because they fire those streets, say, I'm not there, I'm not blackmailer, and I want to do this, I want to do this one. So people you go meet individual, you go talk, say, you dey talk from Bayelsa. Why you don't want to join Biafra struggle? See, Asari, they say it's Asari. Well, the only fact say Asari join Biafra, I know they join Biafra. He go tell you all how. He go tell you, say, for the fact that Asari join Biafra, say, no, they say, Asari. See, Asari shook out for our eyes, say, we go know.
My sister, you see, 2 years ago, I hold meeting with many Ijo king. Many of Riverine Delta, Riverine Bayelsa, Riverine Rivers, Riverine Cross River. I hold meeting with all of them. As I come to address them, the first question they ask me, they say, Asari dey with una? Like, I say I no one call name. Because I no one open the whole thing tonight. I want make Asari make another video, make her for finish and from there. You know, when he talk about election, we keep am quiet. One of them, they wait for him for Port Harcourt. That one tell us, say, Asari dey with una? I say, yes. He say, yeah, sorry, I can't join you people. Say, even for hellfire, if you see Asari for heaven, he go prefer to go to hellfire than today for heaven with Asari. The Ijo people talk and pump and play. Anybody that make Asari make another video, I go bring in village boys, make them come cheer and shred them. Very stinking human, frog, babu, a monkey, dirty pig, toro. They say Asari dey with us. We say Asari no dey with us. They say thank you. Say if Asari dey, they no dey.
He no dey with us.
You can imagine Asari no dey share. They come out and say, I am Muhammadu Buhari Asari. Muhammadu Buhari Asari. Hopeless animal. No, look at what he's talking about. IPOB. Does he know you have reverend like George Onyibe here? I am a reverend for the avoidance of doubt. How dare he insult the name of Christianity? Now, the religious bigot no go talk. Asari is calling George Onyibe reverend. George Onyibe, he sent me in a general overseer that we killed a prophet, a supposedly fellow man of God. We killed him. Christians won't talk now. If I talk about pastor now, some people say, don't talk about religion, don't talk. I begin to wonder, am I not a reverend? I sorry my foot. I beg, make you carry
I sorry my foot. I sorry my foot. I sorry my foot. I sorry you don't beat me that you got you. I sorry you don't drink in last water. We won't drink for a miserable life. You go regret it. Waiting go see for your life. You go regret it. You go even worse. But if the way won't repeat itself, so your case go worse. Your case go worse because those people they go push her by for your hand. Not say after they don't kill her now. They will people say that we because I know their plan.
They don't plan to kill her.
They'll definitely kill her. They'll say that we kill her. But we dey wait for them. Yes, we dey wait for them. We dey wait for them. Whether they will come out for their land or call the parents something they do for our land or not, they won't call the persecutors. We pay for the do and we dey wait for them. As a tough man, he say when the time come on, what they take our action. Now this radio will see call the announce and say, see how they did, see how they did. Because
we know they hide.
They do our thing at the appropriate time. Everything we dey put on in order. We know they in a hurry.
We know they in a hurry.
They will go straight there. By the time we don't done with all of them, for their next miserable life, our history, they go they talk and they go say, so generation, so like this. See what they do so people. They go there for history. Because these people, they watch the slavery, Fulani even get conscience. Compared to our people, Fulani get conscience. Fulani get conscience. Very, 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 very disgusting set of people. The man will create a Niger Delta. Man, that word so this word to someone they talk. So I want to make you enlighten us more about them. They said he might not be today, maybe another time. The man will they call it we create the so-called Niger Delta. So the man there for
now Yoruba now. Now Yoruba.
Yes,
Awusa create southeast. Yoruba create south.
Okay.
So when you see somebody away from southeast, he say, I'm Igbo right, I am Anambra light, I am Enugu right, I am a Bonny Lake Ocean, I am a from southeast. You hear them. Now Awusa create all of their state. Moritola Mohammed, Imakwana Moritola create Imo.